Hey lovelies! In the last video, we understood the basic of conjunctions and we have learnt that there are three forms of conjunctions: simple, compound and correlative. Depending upon the function of conjunctions, there were two types. The first is coordinating and then a second is subordinating. Today we are going to have a look on some conjunctions and their use. So without any delay, let's start. And the first conjunctions of our list are and, as well as, not only, but also. Now these are those conjunctions which are used to join two or more words, phrases or clauses. But the thing is that they join these words or phrases which are of same nature or rank. Like we can make a sentence, he is intelligent dash talented. Here we can see that both the adjectives used are positive. Intelligent and talented both are positive. So these will be joined with and. Let's have a look at some more examples. In the first example you can see she wrote an essay and gave it to her teacher. Here the subject is same, so we have joined both the sentences with and. In the second sentence, Navya and Sirath are twins. Now they both are twins. In the third sentence, Krishan as well as his friend is absent today. So Krishan is absent and his friend is absent as well. So they are performing the same activity. So we have joined with as well as. In the last example, the officer was not only awarded for gallantry but also promoted. Again, the subject is same. So we have joined the sentence with the conjunction not only and but also. And these are the form of correlative conjunctions. The next conjunctions are from the category of but, still and yet. Now these are conjunctions which join those statements or clauses which oppose each other. Let's make the sentence again. He is intelligent dash lazy. Here you can see that intelligent is positive and lazy is negative. Or we can say intelligent is the good quality and lazy is the bad quality. So both the qualities are contradicting each other. So we will join these two adjectives with but because they are opposite of each other. So the sentence will be he is intelligent but lazy. Let's have a look at the examples. The building is old but strong. Now old, if something is old then it should be weak, but it is the opposite of that. So both the adjectives will be joined with but. The building is old but strong. He is hungry, still he refuses to compromise. When one is hungry, he should have compromised, but he refused. So both the actions are contradicting each other. So we have joined with still. In the third sentence, he worked regularly yet did not succeed. Again, if he was working regularly, then he should have got success, but he didn't. So it will be joined with yet. Nevertheless also has the same meaning and the same sense. It will also join both the sentences which are contradicting each other. Like he was injured, nevertheless he drove on. When one is injured, he should have stopped and take rest. But he didn't take rest, but he moved on. So what we understood from these conjunctions that but, still, yet and nevertheless are used to join those sentences which are opposite but not of same rank or nature. Let's move to the third category. The next conjunctions are though, although, even though and however. These conjunctions are the replacement of but. But what is the difference? That they are slightly stronger than but. If we talk about though and although, then although is stronger than though. But the use is same. That they will be used when there are sentences or clauses which are opposing each other. Look at the first example. Although it was raining, he went out without an umbrella. And here the comparison is also given that by using but you can make the same sentence as it was raining, but he went out without an umbrella. So it is just the replacement of but, and the difference is although is much stronger. Second is though he is very old, yet he has a sharp memory. Now what you have to remember is that with though, although, we always use yet. In the third sentence, she feels exhausted all the time, even though she gets plenty of sleep. And he was not prepared for the test, however, he decided to write. In all the sentences, you can see that both the clauses or phrases are opposing. Let's move to the fourth type. Either or, neither nor. These are the types of correlative conjunctions which we did in the previous video. And these are those conjunctions which expresses a choice or alternative between two things. Either you want one thing out of two or you don't want. So let's see the examples. We shall meet on Saturday or the following day. Or even we can say either she or her dog tore his shawl. Means the action is performed by either of them, either she or her dog. Then neither nor means not one not the other, means none of those. He was neither sad nor happy. For, therefore, and so. These are those conjunctions which are the replacement of because. They all express reason or as a result of. Like, he was laughing during the practical, therefore he was turned out of the lab. Now, he was turned out or he was expelled from the lab because he was laughing. There must be food in the can, for it is heavy. Means there must be food in the can because it is heavy. Coming to so and therefore, so usually comes in the middle of the sentence, whereas we start a sentence with therefore. Like you can see in the example, he violated the rules, so he was dismissed. Here we have used so in the middle of the sentence. In the next sentence, he violated the rules, therefore he was dismissed. We had to put a full stop before that and begin a new sentence. I hope you can use these very easily and aptly. In the next part, we are going to have more such conjunctions. Till then, take care of yourself and keep watching.